What's up, everybody? I thought I'd come on here today to do a review of some brand new puppet eyes that just arrived today from Mark Remling, a very great, amazing puppet builder, and I can't wait to share these with you. Let's open up the box. Ooh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. Wow. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is incredible. That's truly incredible. Look at that. That's so cool. That's so cool. Now that we have the eyes open, they look amazing. I cannot believe the amazing work Mark has done on these eyes. So I want to thank you, Mark, so much for these amazing eyes. Now that I said that, I want to kind of compare the looks and kind of size compared to a regular 40mm ping pong ball. So let's check it out. Now these here are ping pong balls, and these here are the eyes Mark graciously and thankfully made for me. And as you can see from a very high point perspective, you can see they are the same size. What? Check that out. So these are the ping pong balls, right? Obviously over time, ping pong balls, they're squishy, right? They're good for certain eyes, but for a character like a frog or something, you might want the eyes to be a little more structured. You can even put foam on the inside, right? Obviously to fill out that inside gap here. But these eyes are so amazing, as you can see, because they are just so clean, and they can just be popped onto the puppet and popped off if need be, rather than the ping pong balls. You kind of have to do a little extra work with ping pong balls to get them on, right? So I cannot believe the amazing work Mark has done on these eyes. And I got 4 pairs of them from Mark. I bought 4 pairs, let me just say that. I did not get these for free. I obviously paid for them. But yes, these are amazing, and I just want to say thank you, Mark, so much, and I cannot wait to use these on a new build.